Hi everyone, I am Ankur Mishra and welcome to all this MindBoost Tutorix. Today we are going to learn Python data structures. Python data structures have a multiple data types which declare list, date, tuples. These are some data structures in a Python. So today we are going to learn this Python data structures. Introduction to the data structures. Why we need to data structures in any programming language? Because it is a store and organize data efficiently, right? We can agree with this one. So they are arrange our data in a mannerly, and this is a helpful for us. So when we calling this this is the manageable data in a store and a one position, one place, right? Make code easier and faster. So our code should be easier. It look like a easier. You can read easily and faster because you are managing at a one place. So it could be a faster. And yeah, of course, essentially for the Python program. Of course, any programming you if you know about the data structures, so this is the essential part of the any programming language. So we can call this is also essential for our Python program, right? This is our first list data structure. Data structure is a ordered and mutables collection. It will store your data in a ordered and mutables. Not mutable, it means like you can easily update, delete, and any uh, operation with this list variables, right? It is also allow the duplicate value. You can store one item at the twice or thrice in the list. And whenever you go for the list declaration, so you have to apply the square bracket, right? It's look like array, right? If you compare to any another language, Java, PHP, so you already know about the C++, you already know about the array. Array is also in a coming with the square bracket, right? So, but here some differences with the list and the array. Array can contain only like yeah, contain only one type of data types, right? And list within a Python list will contain your any type of a data types, even duplicates also, right? So this is our list data structure. Why use list? This is the obvious question. Why we need to use this one? So store multiple values in a one variable. So you have a multiple values, and you want to arrange in a sequential or a particular bracket. Like you can assume as like a one place to arrange this variable, one type of a variable. Then you can use the list over there. You can easily update, add, or remove your items from the list. This is also a advantage in the list. And yeah, of course, useful for the dynamic data handling. If you have a multiple values in the list and you can print one by one, so you can apply the loop over there. Can it can easily print your data for the viewing purpose, right? And yeah, of course, so according to our previous slide, you can see here we can easily update, delete, and remove all those operation on the list data structure. So these are some operations: append, remove, shorts, length. Append will append your data like a one data to your list, into your list at the end of the list, right? And remove will remove your items from the list. short, your list would be short if you apply the short function over the list variables. And length, of course, it will give you the overall the count in item count in your list, from your list, right? So this is the example, simple examples. Number is your list variables, and you are applying the one operation append with the 10 value. So 10 will append in the last of the list, right? Tuples. Tuple is another data structures in a Python, and it is also like it will give you ordered and immutable collections. It will collect your all data in a immutable. Immutable, it means like you cannot uh, update delete operations on directly over the tuple variable, right? And it's also allow the duplications value, but you cannot after creating your tuple variable, you cannot done your operation remove, update, delete, these type of operation on that time. And of course, you for the defining your parenthesis, for the tuples, you have to apply that parenthesis over there for the declaring the tuples, right? So this is the simple example of the like a color is your variable, and all the red, green, blue, these value are your tuple values, right? So this is our tuples. Why we use tuples? If we have at list, so why we need to use the tuples? Tuple, of course, this is a faster than list. Why? Because for the within a list you can easily, because that is a mutable, so you or during the operation you can easily update, delete, and everything. Any type of operation you can do with the list. But on the tuple side, if once it would be create, then you cannot operate, you cannot do any operation with the tuples. So this is a one reason. And of course you can use for a limited data, like a useful for fixed data type, fixed data, so that will not consume all over the memories. So it will also second reason. And data cannot be changed accidentally. So yeah, of course, dynamically you, which we talked earlier, so like we cannot operation after creating the tuples, right? On the tuple also. This is our third one, sets. Sets is our data structure, third data structure, and it give you the unordered collection. Unordered collection just means like you can give any type of collection, like 1 2 3 4 or 3 2 1 4, or give you any type of data type here also. It will not, it will not get your duplicate value. It will remove that one. If you are going to give a duplicate value like a one at second time, then it will remove your one. And when you are going to create the set data structures, so you have to apply the braces, curly braces for the set declaration, right? We have this example, the nums is our variables, and with the assignation curly braces and 1 2 3 4, so it is giving you unique, it will give you the unique value, right? So this is our set data structure. Dictionary, this is a most useful data structure in a Python development. And this is obvious, you can, whenever you are going to work with the programming language, or if you are working, so you already seen this multiple times, because this is a most useful data structure in Python program. Dictionary, it is helping you to create your data in a manageable format in the key and value pair. This is a mutable and ordered. You can give this, right? And of course, it is also defined by the curly braces, right? But here you are giving the key and value pair. So key, you can see this example, student equal to curly braces is our sign, and but the key and value, like a name is our key and John is our value, and age is our key and 20 is our value. So this is declaring the our, this is our dictionary. Why use the dictionaries? Because we have a sets, we have a tuples, we have a list, so why we need to dictionary? So here's some example like a easy data lookup using the key. So if you know about the has data structure type, so this is look like same, right? So dictionary is a useful for like if you are working with the like API or databases schema, so you can easily form your dictionary and give to any database, or you can apply, you can give to API content written. So then it is a useful to consume the data and apply over the UI. So this is also a useful data structures, right? So list is working with the ordered and mutable type. Tuple is giving you ordered and immutable types. Set is giving you the unordered and unique values. If you are giving the duplicate, so it will not uh, get that one. It will give you just one value with the unique one, right? And dictionary work with the key value pairs. So see, these are some comparison with the data structures, right? This is giving us this is some real time example. You can say real life example. List mostly used in a shopping list whenever you go for like a add to cart. So you can see these are the some list it was used in a previously or in future this is a using, right? And tables to coordinate to identify some coordinates over the uh, particular place, you can say. Yeah, of course, set is a it will give you the unique ID of the student, right? Dictionary, you can store your student records with the age, name, class, and all those details with the address, right? So these are some example with the but with the particular data structure. Now we are going to this is our completed theory particles part. Now we are going to some practical part also. One by one, we are going to see our all those data structures. We can see what they are doing with us with the within a programming language and how they will help us, right? So we are going to start with the list. So I'm going to open. I already opened my prompt to open our prompt Python prompt. So we are going to cover our list data structures. So how we can declare the list? So you just suppose we are going to data list. This is our variable, and we are going to declare our list. So with the square bracket, you can declare your list, and I'm going to give all those variable. Oh, sorry, value for our list. Apple, bananas, banana, mango. You can assume this our list and how it's look like. So you can print as like a data list, and it is giving you this type of. Why we are calling this dynamic? So you can use anywhere in our data. So I suppose this is the our for loop. We are going to iterate this one. data list, and here you can print your item. So it will print your item one by one. You can see it here. Apple, mango, and bananas are printed here, right? So this is our list, and this is also most useful in your programming language. Okay, so this has been completed. List has been completed now. And operation, if we go for operation, suppose we are going to we need to append add one items in the list. So what we can do, we just apply the append. So we have the data list, we are going to append we are going to append, suppose we are going to append, what we can do, car, this, and when you calling this variable, you can see car is appended and in the last index, right? And you can apply the remove operation also. It will also remove your data. If either you can apply the last with the remove. Oh, sorry, I'm sorry. This will get the one items you want to remove, which you want to remove. So data list remove, and you have to apply. You have to give the your one value. So we are going to remove car, and when you see this, so you can see the your data, like your original data will get after removing the car from the list, right? We have a one operation is like a short. Before short, we are going to we are going to apply the length operation, right? So you can apply this by the length, like this one also. It will give you the all item count, 1 2 3, and you have the three count, right? So length has been completed here. Now we have the short operations to identify like how it will short. So we are looking the short functions. So we have a data list dot short, we can apply here. And when you go for the like seeing this short, so because this is already short your data, like if A is coming in the first, B is coming in the second, and M is coming in the third position. So that's why it's look like a same as compare with our original data type. Now we are going to add a data list with the 1 second. I'm giving that example of a short. We are going to apply the car on the last. It will give you the in the last index, right? Now we are going to short this. It will short your data. Now you can see the short how it will work. A apple is coming in the correct position. B is coming on the second position, and C is coming on the third position. Why? Because it is giving you the shorted order data, right? So this is our short functionality, and so short operation has been done here also. So list, you can apply all these operation over the list. And yeah, of course, we are going to learn about the tuples. So tuple, we have to declare the tuple 1 second true. So for the tuple, we have to apply the tuples like a color. We are going to with the same uh, example here: red, green, blue, red, green, blue. Oh, I'm sorry, this is my mistake. Now this is okay. And when you call this variable, so you will see here red, green, blue in the parenthesis bracket. And if you want to add something or you want to change something, so you cannot do. You can check it here, colors, and you can call the index value also with the 0. You get the your value. And if you want to change this colors on the 0 positions with the new color name, green, blue, red, orange, right? Orange is the fruit name. So it will not tuple object does not support item assignment, right? And we cannot apply the colors dot append operation here also, because this is tuple is our immutable data type, right? So orange. So you can see tuple is the another operation we cannot apply in the tuples. Append is the another operation. One operation is we cannot apply in the tuples also, right? So that's why we call this immutable. We cannot change during the operations, right? And of course, we used this tuple for the fixed data type. Now we come to the like a with the sets. So sets, yeah, of course, we can declare our sets with the curly braces, and here you can apply the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, and when you call this nums, it will give you the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have been applied the 5 2 times, but it's giving you the one time because it's remove your duplicate value. Because by default it give you whenever you can up you can assign your duplicate, but it will remove. Set will not also get any duplicate value during the operation, right? As you seen, this will all also not get the any duplicate value, right? Sets, or we can declare this sets by the set function also. Suppose you are going to num sets, you are going to declare, so you can apply just sets and your variable. If you check your variable type, so num sets, then you can see it is showing us set class name is a set, right? So this is also we have a we can declare by this one also, right? Now come to the dictionary part. Dictionary, how we can declare? We have a two method we can declare this dictionary also. Suppose dict1, we can apply this dict, and with the bracket, this is our first type to declare our dictionary, and you can check this is our class dict, and we can also apply the dict2 with the curly braces. This is also our second type of a declaration part, right? And when you call this dict2, so you can see class dict is also available here all here. And for the declaration like dict3, we are going to apply the key. Key is the name, anchor, and class 10th you can apply here. You can apply uh, occupation or class address, we can say like. We can see our dictionary here, and this is our dictionary data, and we can see easily. So this will manage our overall the uh, JSON type of a data, and we can arrange at a one place, right? So this is our dictionary part. We haven't completed here dictionary. And why we are using this one, we already covered this with because we have a structure information, so we can use in a API and database. Even JSON format we can apply this one, right? And these are some comparability. So we have done our data structure part in a Python development, right? And if you think this is okay and this is a useful tutorial to all, so please subscribe and like also and comment also for the more informations. Thank you so much for all.